Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Sudenga M500 small batch mixer. This unit has a usable capacity of 500 pounds, depending on your pounds per cubic foot of your product. As I said, this unit's been brought into the shop, sandblasted, repainted. Everything was checked out. New bearings, new belt, new chain. Here you can see the new bearing. We're going to look inside the machine here now. See the unit whirling around in there. It's a little dark inside. We're filming this inside today because of the wind outside. Has a nice sealed top on it. Has the crank you install right here. That opens the bottom discharge of the unit. As you can see, just simply close that back up. Store your crank in the proper spot. This unit is powered by a 220 volt, 110 volt, 1.5 horsepower Dayton electric motor. That motor has been to the shop and has been completely serviced and inspected. It's ready to go to work with no issues. This unit also comes with this scale system. This came with the unit. It was working when it was taken off, but we are not going to guarantee this scale system. This is just an added bonus for you. If you want to bolt it back on and use it, it may or may not work. We are not guaranteeing the scale system, but we just thought we would give it to you as an added bonus. Like I said, this unit has been completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory. Thank you so much for watching.